so you've worked on both PC and mobile games, and across game engines. Alok A66 on Instagram is asking, how do you choose a platform for your games?
Um, Depends on what you want out of your game. If you're looking for revenue, for example, you need to look at the stats for your genre. If you don't have a genre set in stone, then you need to look at the pools of games you could compete with. You should never be competing with Call of Duty, or you should never be competing with Minecraft. Those games are games that are established. If you want to compete with them, you need to find a twist that makes them doable for you. So the best game in the world, thought out, conceptualized, and sort of like maybe made into a GDD, is still not a game. It is still, at the end of the day, a concept. If you don't have the means to create a game, then it's worthless if you're looking from a product perspective. What you're looking for basically is the answer to that question. If you want to make a match 3 game, you're not gonna find a lot of players on the PC market. And if you're going to look for, I don't know, a simulation game, most of the times you're going to find your reliable players on the PC side rather than the mobile side. Depends on the simulation, depends on the genre that you're going for, of course, but at the end of the day, know what you want out of your game and do your market research accordingly. If you're looking for casual games, for example, mobile games are usually your go-to market. If you're looking for more complex games with immersion at its core, most of the time PC games are your go-to, or console games are your go-to. Because think of it from your own perspective. Is it easy for a person with a mobile phone to get immersed into the game? Usually not, because PC gamers, when they're playing the game, they have their headphones, they are seated in front of a huge monitor, they have everything set up, and they probably in their minds know that okay, I've been planning to play this game for at least 30 seconds since I was like clicking on that icon. Whereas for a mobile game, that's usually not the case. You're commuting from work to like home, and in your commute, you're going to be spending your time on the app for 30 seconds, 1 minute, sometimes 5 minutes, but probably you're not going to care about immersion being that important. So know your people, know your market, know your genre, and plan accordingly.